don't look at market research from the point of view of it telling you what people want. You interpret ideas within it, and then you come up with innovative ideas.
Should we, as insurers, not be feeling threatened about all of those trends and those disruptions that we see happening to us? But should we, be in the world of motor, in the world of health, be looking to disrupt others?
You have mankind's linear progression, you have the technology tearing away, and you guys are the bridge or the glue that can bring those things together by protecting people, by building relationships of trust, by contributing to meaningful lives.
We are living in the age of the customer, because what you see and what we experience every moment of the day is that we are all digital from the moment we wake up until the moment we go to sleep.
Uber is actually the blueprint for digital disruption, which is this combination, convenience tech, ego tech, and then be the intermediary, to own the relationship but not the cost.
What image comes to your mind when you hear the word compliance? It's always good to get attention.
The point I would make is I think appearances are changing a lot, but the fundamentals really aren't. And what I mean by that is that human beings are still human beings, and so the challenges of an organisation to attract and retain are ones of leadership, of culture.
Reputation of the industry in itself, I think, is getting better, but it's not seen to be innovative enough. So I think programs where we do have accelerators and things that are trying to actually disrupt from within, i.e. think about changing the total way in which insurance is perceived, is a step in the right direction.
It's better to follow a pioneer than to be a pioneer. So you're in a really unique position now to sort of like look at what's been going on in other industries and take the very best of that and make it work for your industry.